condensed milk, something that I love to use in my desserts, and I'm going to show you how to do a condensed milk and coconut pudding. For this recipe I'm using half a can of condensed milk with 1 cup of milk. You can use coconut milk instead the milk, and 1 cup fresh coconut, or you can use desiccated coconut. If you are using desiccated coconut, into 1 cup of desiccated coconut add 1/4 cup of water and put it in the microwave until it becomes soft, and a teaspoon of vanilla and 3 eggs. So simple and easy to do. To do this recipe you will not need a mixer, but as you all know, this is my right hand. I always use my mixer for everything. And add the condensed milk into the mixing bowl. To get the leftover condensed milk, add a bit of milk into that and mix it. If you find the sugar in the condensed milk is not enough, you can always add more sugar and add the milk. And add vanilla and break the eggs. And mix well. And add the coconut into it too. So it is ready. You can use any kind of a mold for this, and I am going to use this pudding glasses. So it's ready. Put it in a tray and then add some water halfway through the glass and put it in the oven, 180 Celsius, about 20 to 30 minutes or until it sets. So the pudding is ready, and this is how it looks like. It's a real nice pudding that you can try without much effort. And if I take a piece, it's really nice, soft, and hope you will enjoy this. Thank you for watching.